Step-by-step guide for teachers. New updates in assignment settings. Microsoft Teams. Open Teams app and sign in your Teams account. Select your team. Click on Assignments tab. Click on three dots to open assignment settings. Click on Assignment Settings. Click here to change assignment timeline. Select a time of your choice to set default due date time for future assignments. Turn slider to Yes. This will enable new students to receive assignments created before they joined the class. All assignment-related notifications will be posted by default in General Channel. To change the default channel for all assignment-related notifications, we will create a new Assignments channel. Right-click on the three dots in front of the team name. Click on Add Channel. Write channel name and description. Select Privacy as Standard. Check the Automatically Show box to display the new channel to everyone. Click on Add to add the new channel in Team. New channel is created and added in Team now. Open Assignment Settings again and click on Edit to change the default channel. Now choose the channel where you want all assignment notifications to be posted. Select Newly Created Assignments channel. Click on Done. Now the default channel is changed from General to Assignments. All future assignment notifications will be posted in this channel only. Turn slider Yes or No as per requirement. This will enable turn-in celebrations for this team.